Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda and I am going to do something different. So don't scroll past. I want to explain to you the reasons why I do the steps that I do to make these amazing, beautiful wine glasses. I absolutely love this process. I know it's time consuming and there's different ways to do it, but let me explain to you why I do what I do. So let's get started because I'm super excited to do this for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhonda Robson, and like I said in the beginning, we are going to talk today, and it's different than doing an actual painting, but I'm going to explain to you why I do the process I do for wine glasses. So I have several of the wine glasses that I've done right here from trying different things, and I want to show that to you. So the reason why I go through all the steps of my process, and there's a lot of them, the reason why is because I want to get a wine glass that has the top of it a piece of art, okay, and the bottom. So when I'm tipping my glass, drinking it, the bottom is also a piece of art. So here's just a few of them. And then this is one that I'm working on right now for our Wine About Winter event. But these are these little cute little glasses that we are giving away at that event. But that's the reason why. I have people say, why don't you dip them? Okay, and so what dipping is taking wherever you do your art. I do them on my tiles or some silicone mats, and then I peel them off and create these skins. That's how I do mine. But a lot of times people say, well, why don't you dip them? So let's just say this right here was painted, okay? So we've got, it's painted on here. This is your design, it's wet. And so then you're gonna take a glass and you're gonna dip it, pull it out, tip it upside down, and then let it dry, okay? And that is a good way to do it. There's many people who do that. Let me show you the difference though of the bottoms when you do that. The tops, these are two of them that I've done where I've dipped. The tops are nice. Now this one right here is a little different. This was one of my very first ones, so it's not as nice as this one is. But you can see it's a beautiful design, okay? But the bottom, remember how I said I like it so that when I tip, you see a piece of art on the bottom? The bottom of it is not as nice. And let me talk about this one first because this one has some extra stuff on it. Most glasses are concave. Not all of them. Some of them are flat, and you can buy some flat ones and they would keep the design a lot better. But most of them are concave, which means it's going to pull the paint into the center. And you may like that look. So this is that look right here. You can see how it kind of pulled the paint into the center. You may want that, and that's fine. If that's the design you really want to have on the bottom, that's perfect. But I wanted a little bit more art to it. So that's the reason why I do that. Now I've tried many different things. Well, okay, well, what could I do? Could I paint this? And I did paint it. Painted it black or white or gold or whatever. I still saw streaks and it wasn't like a piece of art. So the whole point for me is to have art on both sides. So if you're just gonna paint it a solid color, it's not a piece of art on that side. And that could be fine. That could be the way you want to do it, and that's perfectly, that's really up to you, right? You're the artist. So that's the reason why it pulls into the center, is the reason why a dip doesn't work really well. Now, or to get to the, I shouldn't say it doesn't work really well. It's really to get to the results that I'm looking for, correct? Okay, so then I did try, okay, not only did I paint, but I did try to do something even much more artistic. You know, those little flakes like iridescent or gold flakes, I put those in here and then I would resin them. The problem with that is if they are not completely flattened down, the resin also pushes them to the top and they create jaggedy edges or mounds of resin that actually make your glass tippy. So that didn't work. I am testing right now gold foil, where I have put my Liquid Latex gloss medium on it, and then I put gold foil on it, and it's still drying, so I'm looking forward to seeing how that turns out, because that may be really cool gold from the bottom, kind of like your gold edges on stuff. So but that is the reason why I do the process I do. So I really am wanting some art from this direction and some art from this direction, and so I take quite a bit of time to do my glasses to make sure that that's how they end up. And that's why I do what I do. I'm gonna link some videos down below in the description and give you some opportunities to see all the steps that I do to create my wine glasses. I'll also link a couple of the full tutorial, so from start to finish, of how I make my wine glasses, but sometimes a whole hour video is just a little bit too much. So sometimes you like to see like the details of stuff. So I am gonna link all the different steps that I do, from the bloom to cutting out the bloom skins, these paint skins, to gluing them down, to resin, to cutting the resin, to polishing them, all of that. So I'll make sure that you have all that information. That's the reason why. It's because I really want these. All right, well, thanks for joining me today, and I really appreciate you coming and being a part of my channel. And this is really not just my channel, but it is your channel. So let me know if there's any videos that you would like to see as it relates to fluid art and abstract art and mini art. Put it down below and I will see what I can do for you. All right, well, thanks for joining me today. Talk to you later. Bye for now. Bye. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye. Bye.